Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Did you see?
Let's do that again.
Okay, you ready? You can go down, stand right on the bottom. Ready?
No!
Oh, the bottom's right here. Okay? Okay, we won't. Ready?
You were looking at me. Did you see me wave?
Yeah.
Did I go like this?
Yeah. Let's go ahead and go.
You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
You gotta stop counting, sweetie, before we go. Take a little water in that time.
I want to see Mama go in there. Take these off and put those on. Then the scare won't go away.
And then the scare won't go away. You're right. She's not good. She's so cute.
Go under that, okay?
She's the best. It'd be great.
Yeah, she'd love it. You ready? She's so cute under that.
The mask.
I know, you're hitting the mask. Can you swim to me? Here, let's put this over here. And you swim to me.
No.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Whoa!
I did drink out the water.
You didn't drink all the
You didn't
water.
drink it off?
You have some. We swim to Daddy.
Yeah.
Come on.
Boy, she did good. But she remembers to
Very good. Very good.
Good job, Em.
Wave at Grandpa.
I am.
Next one to that ball.
That's a long way. You got it.
You get it?
That's my best ball.
Put the mask on, then your scare won't run. Yeah. Too late.
Come on, get
Well, that's what she was saying. Your mask scared her.
Yeah.
Oh, I was wondering what she
Mask
meant.
your scare won't run. Oh.
Yeah, that's what it was. I was trying to figure.
This is my best ball in the world.
It is.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
No, you like me.
What?
Without the ball.
Okay. Come on.
I want you this one for me first.
You swim to me.
What's the matter with your chin?
All right.
She's got that kicking down.
Yeah, good job.
I was way down there.
Yeah.
Which one?
Where are you gonna swim to now? The stairs?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let go of you right now.
No!
Okay.
Hang on. Daddy, come with me. Come with me. You're scared right now.
What?
You're scared
I ran away.
right
You want to swim?
She's gonna float.
Were you floating?
I see you go underwater.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
I think she's under a little water.
I think she got a mouthful of water again, drinking Charlie's pool.
Are you drinking Charlie's pool again? You want to throw you up in the air?
No.
No? Okay. What are you doing?
That's the one. Dad.
Oh, big one.
No.
I won't.
My nose gets in the water.
Did you get water for you?
Yeah.
Can you go plug it?
No.
No.
Cold.
Cold, are you cold?
It's
You want to get out and wrap up a while? There's that big towel you can wrap up in if you want to for a while. Warm up a little bit. Warm up?
No.
No?
This way, Ma. Look, that color box. Not that color box. Mommy, this one.
Careful.
The big ball.
The big one.
Another one. Another one.
Here.
This way, Ma.
Okay.
And Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, the one. No, you want the one. Let's say, Ma.
Okay.
You got it. You get it. Not in the water.
Warmer, isn't it? Yeah. Warmer down in.
Get towards me.
Yep. Get the pole.
Daddy. I swim to that one.
No.
No!
What did I do? What did I do? You tell me. You tell me what I did. I think she wanted you to hang on to her.
You let go of me.
Oh, I thought you were going to swim over there.
It's warm.
I'm going to get another thing to yell at again.
Charlie's gonna get mad at you. You keep drinking that water. You'll have to fill the pool back up.
You got me.
Jump off there. After you jump off the diving board.
Oh, ask Daddy too. He sounds really nice.
I might get down both underwater. You run around. I might jump off the diving board.
Want me to jump off and splash?
Yeah.
Big splash?
Yeah. Okay, go.
See how big of a splash we can make? He's bringing one. Ready, Em?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll see how high it goes.
Jump off the diving board again.
You want another splash?
Yeah, one more time. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Oh, no, I don't.
No, this go. I won't.
One more.
One more.
One more. Good one. Okay? Okay, Daddy?
Another splash?
Just one more.
Okay. Use it.
Dad, look. I'll show you one thing.
Has to be like 1% of her.
Yeah.
Careful not to grab her.
It's my you to pull me to mommy. Now you pull me.
I don't know. I'll try.
You hang on to the rope. Ready?
Don't do that. I'll do that. Do that again. One more.
Yeah. You ready? Hang on to the rope.
Well, I think it's time for me to get up.
Why
Ready? Can you say something?
she
Where are you going today, Emily?
school?
Are you going to Mayflower? What are you going to do at school?
I'm gonna play
You're going to play? What are you going to play with?
a game.
What do you have in your arms there?
A school bag in the car, then side it and a bear with a nightgown on.
Oh, why are you bringing that bear to school?
Because I wait to.
For show and tell?
Yeah.
Oh, is that your school bag?
Yeah.
Let me see the front of it. What does it say? Does it say Mayflower Preschool?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
A card. Look, my beard. It's my beard.
Oh, he is so cute. Oh, I'm glad you brought that to me. Thank you. If you'd like to keep your bear in your red bag, and then later we'll take him out and you can show him to all the boys and girls, all right?
Where are they?
They're coming right now. Here's Patrick right now. He's one of your friends. This is Emily. Hi, Emily. Say hi. There. How's that? Okay, super.
Let me see him.
Show Mom your bear.
Oh, great. What does it say on your bear? Yes.
Good for you. Aren't you glad we're going to be able to go outside and play in the playground today? After a while we'll do that. Oh, I'm so glad. Want your hanging bag right there? Put it right there.
you want some sewing cards?
Yeah.
Does that sound good? Can you think of anything else? No? Well, if I see something special, I'll bring it home, okay? Does that sound good? Well, I'll see you later. Can I have a hug and a kiss? No, you don't feel too good yet. See you later, okay? Cheesy, cheesy.
Come back.
Mr. Cheesy, come back here. So you don't feel like eating your sandwich?
Yum.
Don't come closer. You? Sure.
All right.
Good job. Sure, I can. Ready? She see you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm going underwater with humans. I'm going underwater with humans.
Oh yeah? What's going on?
I don't know.
Come and give the camera a kiss. Can you give it a big smooch?
Just go.
That was nice. Take the cover off.
Dad,
What?
I don't know. When can I put in Daddy?
I don't know, you're awful blurry. You're too close. Don't, sweetie. Don't. You feel better after your bath?
Why don't you come up here and tell us what you are? A pirate. You make a wonderful pirate. Great. Can you sit on a circle and see what the other kids are? What are you? A pirate. You're a great pirate. Good. Emily?
A witch.
A witch. And look at that wonderful witch. What do you have in your hand?
A
A broom. Okay, good. A beautiful fairy princess. You're lovely. Thank you. Bluebird, are you a happy bluebird? You sure look happy. I love it. That's wonderful. A bluebird. Oh, wow. You want to put your hand
tail.
in? Yeah. Turn. Go put this on.
Put this backwards.
Is that backward? No, it's not backward. Okay, stand up. What are you?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Look at it. Batman. Great Batman. You make a wonderful Batman. Good, okay. A devil. That's great. You're a good devil. Okay. You know what? We're going to go trick-or-treating. You're a beautiful tiger, Lily. Turn around, let's see. Look at her headdress. Isn't that pretty? Okay, tiger lily. Two beautiful tiger lilies. You're wonderful. You look so pretty. Are you a clown? Can you say clown? Will you stand up and show the children? Stand up and show the boys and girls. Turn around. Okay. What about your shoes? They're good shoes for clowns.
Yeah.
You look nice. Boys and girls.
Sure. How about right now?
Big crack. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. fold them in your lap. God is great, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. All right, boys and girls, you have a nice treat here. You know what I'm going to ask you to do? Why don't you save your bags and put them in your cubby when we're done, before we go outside, and then you can take them home with you, okay?
Then we can eat our cookies.
Yep, you can eat your cookies, sure.
Look, boys and girls. Good job. 2, 3, 4. Good. Come on in, baby. Hi, Kelly. How are you today? See this? Hey, I got you know how to do Keep going. Let's everybody practice that this time. When we swim on our tummies, I want everyone to go. Okay? How's that sound? Okay. Please stand up right here. Point your toes up here. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job. Take a breath. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Lee.
Are you gonna see me?
Where's
Yeah.
the paint?
Look at. Ouch! You stung me. Look at.
Barb, did you bring?
No, I thought I'd hold down the fort.
Yeah. Ow!
Honey, I can do it. I can fix it again.
What color face are you gonna be on? You're gonna.
That's a tangle. I'm gonna have ugly. Yeah.
You're gonna be ugly?
They're gonna be ugly old witch,
Just
aren't you?
lighter green. Yeah, we'll go lighter green.
Yeah, because then you can make a dark green more.
Julie, let me see the back of your hair. What?
Look up.
We'll put the paint here. Don't sharpen your teeth green yet. You really don't need that, do you? It tastes pretty.
Green teeth?
How about some warts?
Yeah, look right up. Look up that light.
Yeah.
There you go.
You could put warts with this color.
Yeah.
You're gonna be a real.
Right up in the air.
My little pretty.
I know it's hard to sit still. Here, man, it's too long.
She's green.
I was making Brett's
Hey, Helen,
costume. I
you
made
gotta
him a
look at me,
Batman
sweetie.
head and the
You're my
little
window.
ears, you know. We got the ears attached to
Look
the
up at
set
that light.
piece.
Look
They
at
went
the
to
light.
put it on, the
Keep
thing
looking
just
up there
went
now, okay?
flopped like a
Keep
rabbit
looking
or
up.
something.
Brett says, oh, Bat Bunny.
Then he
Quick,
says,
to the Bunny Mobile.
Bunny Mobile. Quick, Bobby, to the Bunny Mobile.
Are you through?
Like, I'm like, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Ugly old witch. Yucky. does she look nasty? Oh, you're a little nasty witch. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Nasty.
Well, still.
Something about your face, Emily, just isn't witchy. It's too rounded.
Say, say, I'm a witch and I'm gonna get you.
Surprised there's nobody knocking on
Look
the
at
door.
me.
I know.
Look at me, sweetie.
We already
Pause.
have one person.
What happens?
Her hair, it's getting black.
Well, I'm not gonna start worrying about it.
Like cookie. Oh, what? Let me see him.
Need another one down here?
Hamburgers.
Jeez, hamburgers.
Say
I
trick
don't know, what
or
else can we
treat.
do?
Mom, and say trick or treat. Like that. Say trick or treat. Ka. Ka.
All 5 of you.
White lips.
Talk.
That's neat. I'm gonna remember this for next year.
Can I move yet?
Same place
I
too.
could put black eyes.
No, we're not gonna.
A black face.
You think she needs this hood on? Outside? Oh, good.
Yeah. Emily, you look very pretty.
Oh, she's
Oh, okay.
Burgers.
Cheeseburgers.
Candy in?
Oh!
Wow. Look at that. You know what this is? It's a gift certificate for a free ice cream cone at McDonald's. So when we go on Wednesday after swimming, you can get a free cone. Look at all this.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's quite a haul, Em.
Wow.
You take all the good stuff.
Hey, Barb, get out of the picture.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing. Dinosaur bones. I am. I'm taking that stuff off that you don't like and give it to Julie and Christy.
I would eat.
Yeah, I know you like those. Do you
I
like
don't.
suckers? No? Okay.
I don't like these either.
No? Do you like Smarties?
Yep.
Okay.
Were they still on this street when you
No,
came
they were
back?
back there. I came through.
Hey, Emily.
There.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Oh, look at, see what these are? Instead of candy cigarettes, they're called dinosaur bones.
Well, that's good.
There. That will be for the girls.
What is that?
But okay. Peanut butter cup.
Holy smoke! Happy Halloween to you. Yeah. Jimmy and
Yeah.
we're out of here. Oh, there's a barrel there.
Christy.
Again,
You guys,
Your
guys.
face stinks.
anything you don't like goes back in the bucket.
Emily.
Emily, come here.
Go to your mom. Go to your
Emily,
mom.
look at
She
me.
wants you.
With her arms tucked in like that? Play ball!
That'd be a good costume.
Yeah. Umpire.
This is why you buy for
Do you have popcorn?
What?
Do you have popcorn?
Yeah, I have popcorn.
Who makes popcorn?
For what?
Well, they're probably hungry.
Who cares? It's not my problem.
What else you have? Anything else?
thing.
One more.
Do you want to say hi?
That is adorable.
Yeah.
Fat baby. Fat baby.
That is so cute. You say
I want to do it, Dad.
You're asleep. You're supposed to be awake.
Hi.
I'm waiting.
Plenty tonight.
Oh, Barbie.
Plenty tonight.
She's been told no about 4 times.
Adorable.
Look at him.
I know it's hard. Sweetie, you've had a lot.
What a cutie.
You've gobbled it before and
Oh, bless you.
That is so cute.
You need a Kleenex?
Bat baby. Oh.
What a
I know. Well, we were doing.
Oh, pitting up. He's spitting up.
Here.
Bat drool.
Bat drool.
Around the block.
You've been bat slimed.
I've been bat slimed.
Baby doll. I don't remember those. I